To install the rock slider kit on your Polaris XPEDITION, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface, ensure it is in park, and remove the key. Reference the written instructions for your specific vehicle and slider kit before drilling holes. Start by finding and marking the centers of the holes that are needed for the rock sliders. Then, drill a pilot hole at the center of each hole. Next, cut each desired hole with the hole saw. The rocker panel is approximately 0.16 inches thick. Control the depth of your cut to avoid nicking or cutting the frame of the vehicle. Now use a deburr tool to smooth the hole edges. To install the rock slider assembly, start by adding a washer onto the screw. Then, insert the screw into the mounting pocket on the rock slider. Next, the screw will pass through an unthreaded wedge lock anchor into a threaded wedge lock anchor. Note the orientation of the wedge anchor. The anchor will expand in the forward and backward direction when tightened. Unthreaded and threaded wedge lock anchors are shipped glued together. If the glued joint is disassembled, hold the two pieces together by wrapping the joint with a thin layer of tape. Now, tighten the screw until the wedge anchor can barely move in all directions. Do not torque at this time. Next, repeat for each wedge lock anchor location. Now, begin the rock slider installation by inserting the assembled rock slider into the anchor pockets in the vehicle frame. Then, tightly hold the rock slider to the frame of the vehicle and tighten each wedge lock anchor until snug. Next, apply heavy inward pressure while torquing the screws. Torque each wedge lock anchor to specification. This will help seat the anchor in the frame. Then, loosen each wedge lock anchor by a maximum of 1 turn. Retighten each anchor to specification. Repeat on the other side. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.